You asked for it, and here's Jack Smith.
This is an ordinary fresh egg. Oops. Yes, among the most fragile of items that we come in contact with in daily life are ordinary fresh eggs. Now, Wilton Hahnemann of Carson City, Nevada, is asked to see an amazing machine that handles and sorts farm fresh eggs by the millions without ever so much as cracking a single shell. Let's see it in action. You asked for it. Arriving at the processing plant, eggs gathered, cooled, and cleaned by the producer go first to this candling room. Each egg is held before the light, where the grader instantly determines its quality and places it on the proper rack, separating grade A, double A, brown eggs, and so on. From then on, the machine takes over. On the shuffle racks, the eggs await their proper turn. The tiny lever at the end of each rack prevents them from trying to move into the space already occupied. And at this point, the machine's amazing ability to remember the quality of each individual egg begins. Here the eggs roll momentarily onto an electronic scale, and their exact weight will be remembered from here on, too. This wheel marks the grading station on each egg with ultraviolet ink, and these mechanical hands gently cradle the eggs onto the moving line. Meanwhile, the size, quality, and position of each egg in the line has been electrically registered at this control center, the complex brain of the entire process. These contact points, which determine how each egg will be routed, can be easily changed at any time. An inside view of a mechanical brain. These are the pins that remember electrically and send out impulses to the various parts of the moving line, just as the human brain sends messages to the muscles of the body. For example, certain eggs need a protective coating of wax. The machine squirts just those, allowing all others to go past untouched. As the eggs approach the packaging area, many different types of cartons are ready to receive them. Food Machinery Corporation, developers of this process, even provide a shaker to separate the individual containers. But most amazing of all is the automatic packaging. Not only do medium grade A eggs fall only into medium grade A cartons and so on, but they select only the empty cells. And as each carton or flat is filled, the machine pushes the next into place. Notice that eggs destined for other packages pass right on without hesitation. And slow motion shows how the eggs gently nestle into place without a single cracked shell. But the machine even checks up on its own work. If a carton should get through the filling area with an empty cell, this device promptly detects the error and stops the carton until the vacancy is corrected. After each carton is filled with just the proper size, quality, and number of eggs, they're automatically closed. Then, by a complex conveyor system that resembles a modern high-speed highway, they travel on, first through the marker wheel, which code dates the cartons. Then down the ramps into the boxing area. But the automatic features of this machine aren't exhausted yet. Wooden boxes go one way, corrugated another. The boxes are closed and glued. And properly marked. Finally, only minutes after they began their automatic journey, they rolled down the ramps to be hauled to market, sorted and graded by a machine that thinks. Wilton Hahnemann, you asked for it.